What is happening, all you beautiful people? It is Holla, and this is my gaming channel, Huey Sucks at Gaming. We are doing a match of Galactic Assault. Will I suck? Will I not? Will my team be with me? Who knows? That's what we're about to find out. Let's get into it. My character has its own theme music.
My boy repelled the first separatist wave. There's more coming. They want to disable clone production. Wipe us out, starting with our genetic archive. Take position, do not let their slices. Access the archive. Go! Grenade! Make way!
Every time I die, I'm just gonna make a ridiculous noise instead of getting
Slicer at the archive.
mad. Just do something ridiculous. People are like, what the heck? Ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-da. So much distance I have to run.
Archive losing power. Computer attack.
Oh, I almost forgot my rule. Oh, I forgot about our trooper in this game
Unauthorized access
mode.
to the archive. Closing range. Starting kill sweep. Archive data's been corrupted. Gotta change tactics. Defend what we can, and fall back when we can't. Retreat into the facility. Go! The enemy's not stopping. They can fight every step of the way. All squad, defend the landing pads, as long as you can. Coming in fast. Quick move, grenade!
I knew they were behind me. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Ah, trooper, I knew it. Yeah, you're in combat. I knew it. Oh, come on. You're not even in combat. Watch something blatantly obvious. Oh, you're not in combat. You're just getting shot.
Movement on the east landing pad.
Wow. What the fuck?
We've been pushed out of the west landing pad.
Where'd he go?
Flankers at the west landing pad. Right. Setting up a shot.
How the heck did he get up there?
Quick move, grenade!
No! Blah, 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 blah. Imagine if that was a new language. Blah, 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 blah. And then something like, do you want to go out to dinner? Is like, blah, 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 blah. Or if you had to get gas at a gas station, and you had to choose between that and, I don't know, taking the bus. It's pretty ridiculous.
Lost contact with the west landing pad.
Blah.
Right, cutting down.
Oh, I missed. Oh, falling into space. Falling into space. If I ever spawn in, da 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 da.
About to lose it. Enemy incoming. God, sweet. I got points. Drop your weapons.
Ba la la la. Ba la 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 la. La 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 la. Blah.
Take them out. Keep moving.
Really? You had to do a furious throw that close? Mang.
Casualties at the east landing pad.
Mang. And a mang. Mang and a mang 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 mang.
West landing pad under attack.
Ugh. So wet out here. Ugh.
Grenade. Make way.
I'm melting. I'm melting. No, I'm melting. That's what you get.
Follow me. All available forces. Fortify the east landing pad.
Oh. Come on, clones, do your job. Come on, get out there and do it. Do it, come on. What are you shooting at? Something.
Better stay with your squad.
Something. Something. Something, something. Haha. My sacrifice was not in vain. Uh-oh. His was. And they're only contesting one.
They have the east landing pad.
Wow.
Now snatching it back.
I
now.
overshot my target.
Follow behind me.
Overshot my target. Overshot my target. Sneaky, 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 not so sneaky. Da 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 da. Oh, the birder. The birder. No mortar. No. Vader number.
Heavy fire at the west landing pad.
Nah.
Time, count down. Got to do better. Reinforcements are en route. They'll never make it in time if we don't start first. Fall back into the facility. Go! Go for the barracks and the hangar next. I think I know their goal. If we don't keep those areas safe, we get no trouble.
Oh, Huey, you suck at the gaming. Yes. As predicted. Because that's the name of the channel. No. Hi. Oh! Oh man, that wall saved me. Woohoo! Time to be a sneaky sneaky. Hey! I didn't ask you to do that. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you be a sneaky sneaky? Actually. Unconventional, but hey. But hey. Boo, how are you doing? You're a pirate. Good to see you. Boo. Roll it, dolly. What?
Now I've got you.
God damn it.
Gotcha, sir.
Ah, fuck.
Don't let me be a bother.
Right. What?
They're not paying you enough.
They're not paying you enough.
Let's give it a shot.
Any second now. No? Thought I saw him coming this. Oh, he might have jumped off. He might have had to jump off of the. Alright, let's go. Flankety flankety. Flankety flankety.
I'm really not a fighter.
I got the flankety. Oh well. Back to being a clone. Back to kicking some butt. Oh man, what happened, team? We had them. Oh my god. No, gamer, do not do this to me now. No, gamer, do not. Do not do this to me now. Come on, do it. Oh, I don't know what's happening. What? What is happening? Oh, he was behind me. How did he get behind me? He just got behind me. Then Captain Hindsight comes in and goes, well, if he wasn't behind you, you would have lived. Silly goose. Ah!
Move! Into the next sector! Got a signal from the fleet! Reinforcements aren't far now, but we can't lose any more ground. They're going for the fusion core. Without it, this whole facility goes down. Repel those droids at all costs.
Ba 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 ba. Bappity bop skit scat skidly doo.
Card sweep. I got points.
Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. You can't run faster than me. Come on. Come on. Keep up. Come on. I know it's not like getting to the chopper, but it's almost as
They
important.
initiated a shutdown. Grenade deployed.
I see that shit. Oh, I got blown up into the air.
They started a shutdown. Closing range.
Blown up
Starting
into the air.
kill
Come on, we can still do it. Come on. Come on. We got a little bit of time. Come on. As long as they don't spawn trap us, which they might.
streak. Quick move, grenade. Watch those risks. They're shutting down the
Yup.
core.
That's what it looks like. Well, they might as well wait it out. Cause you know that Huey sucks at gaming.
That's it.
Oh man, that
the
was the
closest
best
reveal
episode
for the day.
ever.
We're arrogant.
Got it. We don't always win them all, but at least it's an epic failure, cause your team's not that good. Alright, that'll about do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you later.